we're going to do 1, 2, 3, and form a ball with the left hand on top. And then step out at a diagonal. And here, don't do this. When we're repulsed, we're pushing forward and down, so that you're pushing the other person down and breaking the root. So it mustn't be this. And then collect so that the front foot comes in. And then we're going to do this. Sink on the front foot and place your foot. Don't step behind you. Sink. Now this arm just comes with the body. You mustn't add an extra movement. So not like this. Just sink. And also note that if I step backwards, my feet will be shoulder width apart. Sink on the front foot. If I step deliberately, no space between the feet so the hips can't turn. The arm just follows the backward shift of the body. So on the third one, we fold up, step back, and then step out at a diagonal.